I okay. The worst news that I don't really know how to say this, but and I don't even own the dog. Like I I was like expecting for a vlog from Romanatwood today, and I was just going through Twitter, and this is what I found. He says 3 hours ago, like 3 hours ago, he says, "I am so sorry. This is hard for me to post. I am heartbroken and truly sorry to say that late last night we lost Zeus. Like, th- like that that part right there. I didn't read anything else. Like, is what happens when you like stick towards a family. You feel like you're part of a family for so long. Like, I still remember me like subscribing to Roman Atwood's vlog when he had 100K something. And let's read the rest. I am shattered right now. My family and I may disappear for a couple of days. Zeus was a family member and will never be forgotten. He was loved by millions. He was my best friend. We all loved him so much. Embarrassing to say, I have been crying for hours. It hurt so bad. R.I.P. Zeus. Thank you for your loyalty. We love you. That right there brought me a little bit of tears because I don't own the dog. I don't even know the dog for in real life. I've never seen the dog, but I have seen the dog through the videos for years. Like, it's been four years since every single day. Like the RC, the RCs, the dog just chews up, runs up. All those balls were for the dog out of nowhere. It happened. It happened out of nowhere. I don't know. Like it, it's it's pretty hard. Like as a viewer of Roman Atwood, seeing the hearing Zeus that I don't know. Why am I even recording this? It might be. I don't. I was happy like 3 hours, 2 hours ago, but now I feel like crap. Like every single day, Roman Atwood's videos, like every single day, he makes me smile. Like it's it's pretty hard. Like I don't know, but yeah. R.I.P. Zeus. We all miss you. I want to see. I'm gonna watch the last vlog again. Like, all right, yeah. I'm gonna watch the last vlog. Anyways, I I want to say I'm sorry for to Roman Atwood for I don't don't even know. Okay, that's it. Well, hope you guys pray for Roman Atwood and his family. I don't really know what to say. Yeah, I'm gonna end it right here.